Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Another looming trouble to William Samoei Ruto, as two cases are about to be filed against his government. The current president, William Samoei Ruto, who have continued bracing himself for more tough times in the days to come, despite having spent less than 2 months in an office following his inauguration on September this year, there is yet another looming trouble to the government that is now led by William Samoei Ruto, as two cases are about to be filed any time from now as we speak now. Those who want to make this move are his main competitors. And from the opposition side, which is under patronage of the former Prime Minister Raila Odinga and Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka. And of course, the first court case deals with petitioning the rule that the Speaker of National Assembly, Honorable Moses Wetangula, made declaring Kenya Kwanza as a majority party while Azimio taking the minority side. In many occasions, Azimio leaders have been claiming that they are the majority, despite few of the affiliate parties shifting to Kenya Kwanza the other time. And even there is example of those political parties, that is UDM party. We are having the party of David Ochieng from Ugenya constituency, that is Siaya County. Now, the second court case is that of genetically modified organisms, that is GMOs crop, that President Ruto led cabinet secretaries to lift the ban on its usage in Kenya as few weeks ago. And of course, this is what Azimio la Umoja is saying according to TV47 Kenya, and this is what Azimio says. It will challenge in court the decision by Speaker Moses Wetangula to declare Kenya Kwanza as the majority party in the National Assembly. And this is what Kalonzo Musyoka said yesterday. Ndugu Weta, Kalonzo, please don't accept manipulation. You are my brother and we were tear-gassed together. Don't forget your brother who is still in the trenches. And that is what Kalonzo Musyoka is saying. Ladies and gentlemen, till to date, there is no law that has come very clear to explain for us this issue of majority and minority. In fact, when you look at the Constitution and when you look also this so-called registrar of political party, they always contradict certain issues that Kenyans are always looking forward to understand. The only thing that these people are doing is to make laws that are so contradicting, so manipulating, that even a common mwananchi cannot understand. In fact, for the next time, I think there's someone that must come out to propose that any laws that are going to be amended in the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, there must be in simplest form that even common mwananchi must understand. But literally, when you look at the law at this moment, there are laws there in the Constitution, but understanding them is a big problem. Even in fact, when you look at these elected leaders, some of them even they study the law, but of course, interpreting the law, it is a big problem. And that is why Wetangula ruled the way he thinks it was well for him. And this was something to come the other time, that Wetangula could have not ruled against his political party, and that is Kenya Kwanza. So to rule against Kenya Kwanza was going against what they agreed. And that is why at the time, President William Ruto availed himself in the parliament building before even the announcement was declared. So Kenya Kwanza brigades, led by Prime Minister Raila Odinga, Kalonzo Musyoka, they have declared that they're going to file a case that court must address the real thing in terms of this issue of majority and minority. Now, there's another second issue coming at this moment, the issue of course, the GMOs. The GMOs, they were arguing that this issue of GMO is this genetically modified organism, that is GMOs crops, that was found, like the government of William Ruto is embracing so much than even that natural type of farming. Remember, this issue of GMO has been felt somewhere, certain countries across the Republic of Kenya, and even there are certain countries that has prohibited this issue of genetically modified organism crops. But you see, the other time, the government of William Ruto, they are appealing to Kenyans that they're going to expand this issue of genetically modified organism crops so that to assist Kenyans, or to be as an emergency, in a way that this problem that Kenyans are passing through when it comes to inadequate food in the Republic of Kenya might come to an end, because they are going to expand this issue of genetically modified organism, and that is the meaning of GMOs. But you see, President Ruto, through leading his cabinet secretaries to lift, of course, the ban was expected to be so, but literally we found that it was not what we expected. So Kalonzo Musyoka has come out to file a case to ensure that the court must ban this issue of genetically modified organism crops, so that we as Kenyans, we must live healthy. So ladies and gentlemen, is there any case that when it comes to these two cases, is there a possibility of William Ruto retaining the victory? If any case court is going to declare, of course, Kenya Kwanza to be majority, then it means they must come out to interpret for us law so that we can understand. Because even that person, the Speaker of National Assembly, Wetangula, who ruled against Azimio, I think there are certain laws that he interpreted in a way that people are not understanding. Now, when it comes to genetically modified organism crops, we are waiting also the response from the court, if any case they are going to file the case. Ladies and gentlemen, what are your thoughts towards the analysis? Give your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, I want to appreciate you so much because of the great support. If you are a visitor, please subscribe. Put on the notification bell that when I upload my videos, you get notified. For those who are returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much. Continue liking, commenting, sharing across the social media. Bye bye till we meet on another video.